टू माय चैनल। जैसे आप जानते ही हो, नवरात्रि शुरू हो रही है तो बार बार अब पूजाएं होंगी। छोटी छोटी घर पे ही पूजा होंगी, लॉकडाउन है, बड़ी बड़ी तो नहीं होंगी। बट 10 मिनट्स का क्विक ट्रेडिशनल मेकअप मैं आपके लेके आया हूँ, जो आप कोई भी छोटी सी पूजा है, छोटा सा गेट टुगेदर है, कोई भी अभी ये ट्रेडिशनल फंक्शन है, उसके लिए आप रेडी हो सकते हो। सो कम ऑन, लेट्स स्टार्ट। सबसे इनिशियल और बेसिक स्टेप है दैट क्लीन योर फेस एंड अप्लाई मॉइस्चराइजर। आई हैव यूज्ड मैक मॉइस्चराइजर, you can use any yours. Next step is to conceal your dark spots on your face and dark circles. As this is not much heavy makeup, so I'm just going to cover up my dark circles. Whatever products I am going to use, I have mentioned in description box. This is very easy and quick makeover, so it doesn't need a much heavy base. So I have just applied concealer and I'm just going to set with flat brush very slowly and softly. Just dab 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 little bit. Do not drag it very much, otherwise product will not remain on the part on which concealer is required. If you do not have flat brush, you can do it with sponge also. Next step, I am going to apply foundation. Not much, just a little bit, just to give the even base for my makeup. With the same flat brush, I am going to apply my foundation and I am setting it with the flat brush only. I have taken very little amount of foundation and blending it all over my face, my under eyes, nose, apply to your neck and ears also. Next I am going to apply blush. I am going to combine these two shades for my blush. As this is a very quick makeup, I am not going to do any contouring in today's makeup. I am directly applying blush to my cheeks. A very soft touch of blush. Next I am going to apply this highlighter to this pearl and gold shade with the same blush brush over my cheekbones. Apply to your cheekbones and blend it well with your blush. See the difference. For the eyes, I am going to take this same shade of my blush with the blusher brush on my eyelids to give the base color to my shadow. Applying to both of my eyes. And next part is I am taking this shimmer shade with a small eyeshadow brush and applying to my eyelids. Just blend it all over your eyes very nicely. This makeup look you can do on any occasion, on any event, any color you are wearing, either blue, green, yellow. This shade will go on every color of your outfit. It's a very versatile makeup. After that shimmery shade, I am going to take that same highlighter, taking to my eyeshadow brush and applying to my brow bone. I am not going to fill up my eyebrows today because it's a very settled and soft look makeup. Next, I am going to apply compact powder with my blending brush to all over my face, just running roughly to all of my face to give the finishing look. And now it's liner time. I am using black liner today. You can do any liner, either winged or traditional. Let's apply to the other eye also. And here I am done with the liner and with mascara and falsies also. Now it's lipstick time. Lipstick I am going to apply a very soft pink, nude pink, you can say, very soft shade. You can even apply the nude brown shade if you like, as it's a very soft look but not a bright shade. And I am almost done with the lipstick. And today I'm going to apply a little bit touch of this shimmery shade to my lips to give a touch of glam only to the middle part of my lips and blending it over. And we are almost done with the whole look. And yeah, one more thing. As I'm not applying any kajal today, I'm just going to apply white liner to my waterline to brighten up the eyes. Look at the difference in both the eyes. This looks so bright. Let's apply to the other eye very softly. And yeah, we are ready.